Hey guys, in today's video I'll be showing how you can make your own homemade maize and soya beans cereal. The ingredients for this cereal will be 5 cups of soya beans, 10 cups of dried corn, dried maize, and also 1 cup of millet. So here I have washed my corn and also peeled and washed my soya beans. All I'm going to do is just going to sun dry them. This is my corn after sun drying it. This is it after sun drying it, and also I've sun dried the soya beans. So I'll go ahead and roast my ingredients on medium heat. So here are my ingredients after roasting. So I'll go ahead to grind it in a local mill because I don't have a strong grinder to grind it. If you have a strong grinder, you can use it to grind this into a powdery form. So here we have this maize and soya cereal in its powdery form. This can be stored for close to 6 months in an airtight container. So now I'm going to show how to prepare. You're going to put some water in a pot and allow it to boil. Then you scoop in 2 spoons of cereal into a bowl and add in cold water. Then you're going to mix this till there are no lumps in the mixture. After mixing well, this mixture is going to be added into the boiling water and allowed to cook for 3 minutes. After cooking for 3 minutes, I'm going to add in a bit of water and cover it up to cook for 2 more minutes. Now our cereal is ready. You can add milk to this cereal, you can add date syrup, you can add peanut butter, you can add in fruits to make it more nutritious. This cereal is suitable for babies from 8 months to 36 months. Even adults can have this cereal. This cereal is rich in fiber and other vitamins that are beneficial for our babies. I hope you try this cereal for your baby. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, and don't forget to drop a comment. Till I come your way next time. Bye.